day, another dollar. We're still taking trees off houses 10 days after this bomb cyclone hit Issaquah. But today, I think it's on a garage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 uprooted trees. All missed her house. We've worked for this lady in the past, taking out a lot of hazard trees, so she was smart for that. So yeah, tree in the garage.
What? Dude, that was brutal. What do you think we need?
I don't know, I guess just a block, the new rope, the 500 and like the 362.
Like, are we gonna put a block in that cedar, do that idea?
I feel like that one.
And pull logs that way?
Oh, for the logs? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
And then, because we could, I could pull logs, since there's so much damage already, even if the logs kind of brush the roof as they're coming up, if they go that way, and then we can lower them down in the corner there, and then to get the last log off of the house, we could tie it off 8 feet back to that same thing and lift it up in the air that way, and then like cut it and then lower it down or something.
Yeah, and then that bit will just fall on the ground.
Yeah. Okay, so
There's, yeah, rope, pulley,
rope,
big saw.
blocks. I'll grab like the 362 and the 500.
Yeah.
So we have 2 different ones, and then yeah, just keep piecing branches out. We'll be right back.
Yep.
Born one morning about 4 a.m. Came in the world playing a gold guitar. My papa walked around sticking out his chest. My mama said, good boy, to be a man. She was right, here I am. I'm a guitar man, I'm a guitar man, guitar.
block in the cedar.
Cutting it out as we lift it up. I think that would work too.
I like that, because then once it gets,
because then we don't really have to like get on the roof much and like.
Yeah, I like that idea. Let's do it.
Oh, dude, did you tape this?
No, I didn't.
Is this the other end?
Yeah. Yeah, we flipped it around at that cottonwood. So we've got it tied up into there. We're gonna put some pressure on it with the truck, and I'm just gonna start whittling it down from the butt. See what happens.
Sounds good. Hopefully, and we'll get all this some more weight off. Start pulling this thing up, and it's not going to bow that tree over so hard.
You're like so close to being over this wall.
I know, right?
Right now it's like hooking and holding it
You can just drive forward now.
Huh?
Dude, you can just drive forward and set it down.
Think so?
Look at that.
Okay. What is this thing right here, though?
Oh yeah, we do gotta move some stuff.
Let's do. But this
little
should,
bit.
yeah, face cut again diagonally up the sky, and then feather it, and the butt should come at you. one more cut now. I'm gonna put a rope on this real quick. Put a rope on it so we can pull the butt off of it. Hold that. Let me try pulling the truck up a little more too. Nothing. Nice. That works. Now, I guess let's just try to lower it through those branches and.
Yeah.
He wants the rope too.
You pushed it at all?
Not really. You can just go though. It's already damaged.
Alright. All right.
Whee! All right, he can let me down. Gotta love a free ride up a tree.
Like shipping in the back of the truck. Don't drop the big block from up there, okay?
Yeah. Well, that worked. No more tree.